Yo, what's going on with your YouTube? Jumpin' Chris here. We're coming back at y'all with another vid, man, and it is 2022. I want to have this discussion video for you guys, and it's kind of a like information video because I have done these videos a couple times last year. It's about the course, the whole tax, you know, threshold and everything. I know a lot of people are freaking out about that. I think, you know, I just kind of want to prepare people and just kind of remind people what's kind of going on, and I think we got a full information on what exactly was going on. So this is a topic that I just want to talk to you guys about. So take it back, because before this whole like bill has passed, it used to be $20,000 of sell and only in 200 transactions. It had to be both. Okay, had to be either over 200 and also 20,000, you know, sales. Now with the new bill passing, it is only a $600 threshold throughout the whole year. It's not just one item. If you sell for 600 or this or that, it's accumulated of everything, a threshold of $600. So if you sell 2 sneakers, like you sell 1 sneaker 1 week and another sneaker next week for $300, that's $600. You're in the threshold. Now you do have to file and claim taxes, or they'll do it for you depending on what app and site you use. Okay, just want to clear that all out, make sure everybody knows there's a full $600 threshold. And might I mind you guys, $600 is not a lot, guys. It is very minimal. Like they can go by really fast. Only 2 shoes, 1 PS5, that's it. 1 TV, you gotta claim something now. So whatever site you use, okay, we have a whole bunch out there. We got Stockx, Goat, eBay's, other sites too as well. If you guys sell it over $600, they will send you a 1099. That's what I got an email from eBay wanting me to go ahead and update my information and ask me all kind of like, you know, stuff before I even sell. I don't really sell on any apps, to be honest. So, but yeah, eBay sent me an email that is a 600 threshold. So they asked me for a lot of information. So it is happening, guys. This is it. This is 2022. It is now happening. And not to mention eBay, I think they're no longer doing the 0 seller's fee after January 19th, I believe, something like that. So try to enjoy that while it lasts. Thing with Stockx, Goat, if some of you guys people want to sell on like, you know, PayPal goods and service and stuff like that, like an invoice, you know, same thing with those. Careful when you sell something over, you know, once you build up to $600. I just say, guys, already, you know, just make sure you guys keep everything in track, but we'll get into that later. Now, another thing too that I thought they were trying to do, they were trying to monitor like everyone's account and about the whole like you know, like Cashapp and Venmo and stuff like that. So before, I thought it was going to be a 600 threshold with Venmo and Cashapp. And, you know, I didn't think that was fair because, you know, a lot of times, you know, when you go out with friends or family, like some people don't have cash today. Like, oh, my bad, I'll just send you some Venmo or some Cash App, you know, just pay for my stuff, you know, when you guys go out to eat or just do something, you know, just like a friendly gesture. Or you got to pay this month's rent or something like that. So Venmo and Cash App is only if you have a business account. So just so you guys know, you guys have a business account and you guys have more than a $600 transaction throughout your account, yes, you will get a 1099 as well on Cash App and Venmo. There is a loophole with Zelle and Apple Pay. Don't get on me about that. I didn't really they didn't really say anything about Venmo, you know, like Cash, Zelle and Apple Pay. All I know right now is just Cash App and Venmo, and of course PayPal, but you know, that's with goods and service and all that. Just, you know, if you have a business account, like I said, just make sure you keep all your receipts, keep all your stuff. My advice is to you guys is definitely, if you are trying to do this reselling thing and you're really trying to do this for real, like this is like not just you know, like every little hustle here and there, I highly recommend you guys to get an accountant, a CPA, get everything set up, you know, get an LLC if you have to, and you know, and keep all your expenses too, like all your receipts. Every time you buy that shoe for you to sell, you can write that off. Some people say you couldn't. Yes, you can. Business, and also too as well, like other business expensive, mileage, gas. Some people out there, you know, if you guys like to go to like sneaker events, you know, if you guys go to hotels, planes, all that, and you know, your receipts and stuff like that, just keep it all, guys. Make sure, you know, keep it organized, so that way when you go to your accounting, it doesn't look ridiculous, you know. definitely keep all that and just write, you know, gotta find out what you can and what you cannot write off, you know, for your business. Because you gotta think now you're a businessman, you're becoming an owner. I've been doing, you know, like this law here doesn't really affect me because I've been doing this stuff. I've been writing things off. I've been having the LLC. So I just want to help you guys out, especially for any new resellers out there. Because I know during the lockdowns and the pandemics and stuff, people had to hustle and, you know, get some extra setup income. And even people right now, you know, it's always good to have more than one hustle. So I just want to help you guys out for this type of information. I mean, I can get into a whole bunch of stuff, what you can and what you cannot write off and stuff like that. It's a little gray area, but like I said, don't take all my words for it. Definitely talk to your accountant. I am not a professional whatsoever, okay? I mainly go to my accountant, my CPA towards tax time, and we kind of figure that all out. So that's what I highly suggest you guys to do. Now, with this whole $600 threshold, I wonder what it's gonna do to the resellers. Will reselling end? No, guys. There's probably not, to be honest. You know, I hate to tell you guys, I don't think reselling is gonna go away anytime, because it's just like, if you're there to make money, you're there to make money. You know, if there's any type of way for people to make money, they're going to. Will things slow down? Yeah, probably. You know, there might be some shoes out there that usually do resell last year, might break out this year, but there's definitely gonna be, you know, those limited hype shoes are always gonna resell. So, you know, I think it's gonna push more of like just the, you know, the people that just got into it, that's not really into it. This law and this whole thing, it might push people out, the new people, but the people that's been doing this for years, you know, this is nothing new to us. You know what I mean? Like, this is kind of like, you know, and plus, honestly, you're supposed to claim everything you do, right? You know, I think a situation like this, like, it might, people might want to start selling like locally more, or even go to events more. You know, there's plenty of sneaker events out there, or just events in all kind of genres out there, whatever you're into, baseball cards, so on and so forth. I think those might even spike up a little more now with everything going on. Just saying. I don't think reselling will ever end, to be honest. It just might push some people out, or people just gonna find a way to move differently, honestly. I'm not saying to not ever pay your taxes. You should definitely pay your taxes. Actually, matter of fact, every time you make a profit, you're supposed to claim it anyways, but some people don't, just because it's that whole $20,000 threshold beforehand. But now it's being $600. It's not much at all. You're gonna have to pay, guys. Like, you're gonna have to pay whatever you made. Now, like I said, if it is for a profit, you have to pay for that. Obviously, if you're selling at a loss and stuff like that, you probably don't have to pay for it, as long as you write things down. All I'm saying is, guys, please keep everything organized. That's what this video is mainly about, is trying to keep you guys organized and alert about it, you know. Definitely keep a lot of records, just in case something happens, something crazy, you know. I would hate to see that happen. Sometimes stuff happens, and I just want you guys to be prepared, especially now that we're in 2022. So when you file your tax in 2023 for this year, you're gonna be prepared. You're gonna be like, yo, JMK got me ready, and we good. All right, so good luck, guys. Hope everyone, I hope this is going to be a good year of 2022. I know things are going to be a little different. There's not much we can really do about it. You know, we can all agree to disagree about this. You know, it just kind of is what it is. You know, I can't really put my opinion on it. You know, the life we live in, the country we live in, and this is what we gotta do. Okay, guys? Just want to prepare you guys. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. If you guys don't mind, please hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, and please hit that bell for all the notifications when I do drop vids. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media at GermanChris on IG, sometimes on Twitter, and don't forget Snapchat. Anyway, guys, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. I'm GermanChris. Peace.